Hey there, it's David T Phung. I'm here at Boca Chica, Texas. Starship 7 launch here, and I'm here with
Dr. Byron Barker from Highland, Illinois, about 30 miles east of St. Louis. And this is my second launch. I came down here just before number 4. I missed it by a week, but this is my second time being here. We were just talking about how on this ship they have told us that they're going to try out a different type of heat tile because the heat tiles are such a problem. That's why the Challenger and all those other ships have had problems. They keep on burning up, and they don't want to have to refurbish it and spend all the time on that. So they're looking at a new way of using metal tiles, but making it a sandwich. And on the outside, there's little bitty holes so that they can force a fluid. They're saying water or some gas. And what happens is as it comes through the atmosphere, that gas will cool it. And then they won't have to replace anything. And there's one of those tiles on this ship. They're going to try that.
So it sounds like
cool.
It sounds like it's going to relieve some pressure too, almost like an ice cream sandwich.
Yes.
Ice cream sandwich has those little holes in the ice cream in the middle.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know if that analogy works in the science way.
It's just the fact of it being able to cool. And the reason that Elon is using stainless steel is because it handles heat way better, whereas the Challenger was made of carbon.
Yeah.
And so when those tiles came off, that thing burned up, and those are why all those people died.
Totally. Aesthetically, it's beautiful too. Very
It's so shiny,
as well.
just so gorgeous. Yeah, it looks like they've waxed it. It's just such a beautiful thing to be here. We just wish it were fully stacked, and maybe we'll see that tonight.
Yeah, that's the ingenuity of SpaceX and technology and startups. It's the functionality with aesthetics. And look at this. There's no barrier. There's this stick pole that Byron is saying there used to be a SpaceX private property, but blast zone radius cleared
There's
away.
no signage even to say no trespassing. There's no signage whatsoever right now.
Yeah.
It's so crazy. I would think by now I was here for 4. There are at least some signs saying you can't walk any closer, but there's nothing tonight. I think it's so crazy. So come down before they get rid of that. Come down and see this and get this close and enjoy it like we are.
We're lucky and thankful. Appreciate it, Byron.
Yeah, it's good talking to you.
Keep going and stay heartful.